there's the boys. There's the boys. I think we'll pick up one of the girls so we can just get the boys. There we go. Hey, buddy. Hey, buddy. Hey, Shane. Shane. Boy, lots of activity on Emmett and Shane here. There's Emmett. Emmett. Okay, Emmett's ignoring me. Emmett. There's Emmett. There's Shane. Yeah. Shane. Oh, Shane. Shane, Shane, Shane. Come on, boys. Let's see some activity. Let's see some activity. If I put the girl back down, they'll jump up. Yeah. It was exhausting. Oh, there we go. It was exhausting after our bath. It was exhausting. So we're going to sleep. Hey, boys. Hey, boys. Hey, boys. Shane's in the back. Emmett's in the front. Emmett weighs just 2 pounds, and Shane weighs 1 pound 12 ounces and they are going on 16 weeks. And that's about the best we're going to do for a video because we're not going to run and play. Of course, then we don't have to chase them around. Shane. Oh, Shane, you're so cute.